his grandfather. He's a rebel in himself. And he represents basically the essence of what was the Jazz Age. The Jazz Age was a period in the 1920s, ending with the Great Depression, in which jazz music and dance styles became popular, mainly in the United States, but also in Britain, France, and other countries. Jazz originated in New Orleans and as a fusion of African and European music, and played a significant part in wider cultural changes in this period, and its influence on pop culture continued long afterwards. The Jazz Age is often referred to in conjunction with what we all know as the Roaring Twenties, primarily the setting of The Great Gatsby. So let me just kick off Anmol's event with a couple of verses by some famous dance personalities. And as they say that, if someone has said it better, just quote them instead of making up your own. So they say, sing like there's nobody listening and live like it's heaven on earth. And those who were seen dancing were thought to be insane by those who could not hear the music. Let us read and let us dance. These two amusements will never do any harm to the world. These people who are going to perform before you, they are runaways with rebel blood in their veins, renegades who aim to express the burning truth, never to be tamed. Ladies and gentlemen, set your senses free as Anmol, Jamwal and his outlaws present to you Taboo.
Yeah, this party started on a Saturday night. sound.